Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we know that we have x, so I will put number 4 go to the left. Next we need to do first derivative for the both side. This one we have number 1, this one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have number 1. And now we can simplify like this. So we put u minus 4 gone here. This one that is about u. This one that is about the u. So negative number 4 plus number 3, we have negative number 1. So this one multiplied by u, and we have u to the power of 21. This one we have u to the power of 20. And now we have the formula in here. So we have the integration of u to the power of n du, and this one we have like this. So I will put number 21 gone here. So we have u to the power of 22 over 22. This one that is about 21 over 21. And I will put about c. About u that is about s plus number 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.